And the race is on, friends for never. Rushing up from the outside is Swab Tiger. In the middle portion, Mr. Savior. Down on the inside, Fair Heaven. Five runners fighting it out for the lead. Mr. Savior, Fair Heaven, Swab Tiger is racing in third, running fourth, friends for never so gorgeous, and a long way back to Mike's Dancer. Mr. Saber, right on the outside is Swap Tiger. Fair Heaven down in the inside is so gorgeous. Friends for never is racing from the outside, and Mike's Dancer. Rounding the far turn, Mr. Saver, this time by some two lengths. Swap Tiger is racing from the outside, moving up by the rally. So gorgeous, friends for never Heaven and Mike's Dancer. As they race the final corner, Mr. Saver by some three lengths. So gorgeous is now running in second. Friends for never Swap Tiger. And nearing the finish, Mr. Savior still leading the pack by some three lengths. So gorgeous. And finally, Mr. Savior. So gorgeous. Friends forever, Mike's Dancer. So Tiger, Fair Heaven.